Oh no, that was really bad. Don't put that in. Oh, that was really bad as well. Don't put any of that in.
Stop dabbing me.
Okay. Hi guys, it's Hasman12 here, and you're probably wondering why I'm on a pitch that has rugby posts right behind me. And the reason being is because I'm joined by one of my friends.
Oh, friends!
Who's into his rugby, not football. You're wondering why I'm friends with him? You're right. And this friend who's into his rugby actually has his own YouTube channel now. So technically you could say this is sort of a collab. And being the first collab on my channel, you want me to introduce you to a very high profile guest. And I've gone out and tried to find the best one I possibly can, but I didn't really have any luck, so we're stuck with Alfie today. For this woodwork challenge, we're going to try and hit every single post, but Alfie's going to use a rugby ball. I'm obviously going to use a football. Or we're going to say, if you choose to go with the other sport that you're sort of not so good at, so Alfie, football, me, neither, because I'm going to I'm joking. Me being rugby, then you get 2 points. First to 10 points wins the game. Alfie, go for it. Easy.
Don't ever do that again.
No, we take skimmers, we're taking that one. Right, so unfortunately that's not actually going to be your first one.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Come on, please. No. I heard that. You heard that. Fine, you need to get it clean. Sort of like this. Hey guys, it's Hasman12 here, and I'm a bender.
Oh, Neil.
You know what? This is a bit easier. Let's just stick with drop kicks. Go on. I was aiming for the right post.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
I didn't realise Johnny Wilkinson was watching.
Oh, piss off!
Power is all I need.
Release the Kraken!
Let's just show you how to play football.
Here he comes. Oh my word! Can you believe the genius of this man?
You know what? I did it at the beginning. I can do it again.
Destruction.
Oh, that was so clean. I'll tell you what, two's better than one. I think I heard someone say crossbar with a no-look rugby ball. Am I correct? I'll take that one. I'm winning somehow. Bad day Messi, good day Ronaldo.
That is tremendous, that is tremendous.
I'm so confident with this one, I'll count down until it hits the crossbar. 3, 2, 1. Hold on, I'll count this one down. 3, 2. Oh no! Fortunately I can't count, but I still hit the crossbar. Oh,
That is tremendous, that is tremendous.
it's like when you're a kid learning to play football. Oh, that was so close. Quite as close as this. That was really close. Millimetres. Hi guys, it's Hasman12 here, and I heart cock. Double whammy. Double whammy. First crossbar. Crossbar again. Oh! Damn it! I think it's about time I hit the crossbar. I do too. Oh! I'll just do it for you. Oh, yes! That's double points. No! 7. Decent one. Did I hit decent one? Might have heard it, but you didn't do it. I feel sorry for Alfie. So this crossbar that I'm about to hit, I'm going to donate to you. So you're going to get an extra 2 points now. Wow, cheers Harry. Hi, I'm Hasman, and this is disgusting. Oh, just disgusting. That's disgusting. What was that? You don't think I can do it? Suit yourself.
Oh, Neil.
All my other shots That was a practice. This time is the real thing. Oh no, that hit! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Well, now you've done your warm up, I'd like to see mine. To be honest, I only ever hit the crossbar when I volley it. Half volley challenge. That's a half volley. I've never done a half volley before. Oh, beginner's luck. Alfie, you're watching this one. I didn't come here today, especially to lose to Hasman 12. So, let's hit the crossbar. Did I hit no look? I think you did. No look crossbar. That's so close. Did I hear someone say no look? I'm pretty sure I did. Oh, you got mud in the... Oh, that went in! Does that mean you win? Oh, we definitely take skewers. Oh no, you can't take a skewer for the last shot. That means I get a red ass Alfie. Yeah, you heard it. Like. Oh no. Fine, second thoughts.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
As I won the challenge, I get a red ass Alfie with every single ball. That's 3. Oh! Football, I should be able to hit him with this one. I'm not going to hit you, am I? Come on, boys. Oh, no pressure.
Destruction.
Yeah! Yeah! Oh, my ball just went inside of me. That went right on the arse. Oh, that really hurt. Alright, so guys, that's the end of the Woodwork challenge, rugby v football. Did you enjoy yourself? Nope. You lost and got hit on the arse. Anyway, make sure you check out Alfie's channel, links in the description, sub to him. He's got some good trick shots, not like that one, but they're still good. Anyway, yeah, like the video, enjoyed it, subscribe for new, and I'll see you later. Cheers, Hasman. You know when Harry said that my speciality sport was rugby? Yeah.